In this video, I'm gonna show you how to activate FaceTime on iPhone. So let's get started. FaceTime is a powerful tool that allows you to make video and audio calls with your friends and family no matter where they are. First open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and find FaceTime option. It should be a green icon with the white camera inside. Tap on it to access FaceTime settings. Now you will see FaceTime settings page. Make sure the toggle switch next to FaceTime is turned on. If it is already green, the FaceTime is already activated on your device. But if not, then just tap on the toggle switch to enable it. If you want to be reached by FaceTime using your phone number, tap on Use your Apple ID for FaceTime. Then sign in with your Apple ID and password. Finally, make sure your phone number and Apple ID email address are selected under the You Can Be Reached At section. This will allow others to reach you using these contact methods. So that is how you can activate FaceTime on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.